In the harsh realities of nature, where species are constantly in competition with each other, one behaviour in particular stands out from the rest. Altruism is the selfless act of caring for another's well-being, sometimes even at the cost of its own health. In Mother Nature's harsh cycle of birth and death, it can be hard to imagine species that would care for an organism other than their offspring, yet the act of altruism can be seen in many bird and mammal species. One of the most interesting examples of altruism can be found in the harsh ecosystems of the Kalahari Desert. Meerkats are known for being one of the most indiscriminate altruistic groups. Unlike many species, the meerkat will not change the amount of help they provide offspring based on how closely related to them they are. A social hierarchy determines one female to be the dominant one, responsible for the group's breeding, while the remaining females ensure the care and upbringing of offspring. This includes foraging for young and safeguarding pups from predation. One of the main hypotheses for the evolution of altruism in species is the act of kin selection. In kin selection, altruism can be seen between related individuals of the same species who live in communal groups and help to raise each other's young. The benefit gained from non-parental adults who care for young is associated with the increased chance of survival of shared genes through future generations of offspring. However, kin selection is not the only hypothesis used to explain the co-parenting behaviours spotted in altruistic groups such as the meerkat. This hypothesis used to explain altruism is known as reciprocal altruism. In essence, reciprocal altruism states that helper meerkats understand that one day, when they have pups of their own, they too will receive the same help that they are currently giving. This shared understanding of group parenting allows for offspring to grow up and eventually pass down the shared genes to their future generations. Mentioned prior, altruism in meerkats can either be through foraging for the group or protecting the group. Meerkats defend themselves by standing up on their hind legs and puffing their fur out. This can be done to scare off predators and spot faraway danger. When a meerkat takes on this role, he is known as a sentinel. Statistically, sentinel meerkats are most at risk of predation. Yet despite this, studies have shown sentinel meerkats will not forsake their duties, but rather accept the risk of their position in favour of the group's safety. The goal for these seemingly selfless meerkats remains the same: to pass their genes down to future generations. Though the offspring may not be their own, the genes they share within them are, and hence why the altruistic behaviours displayed in this video ensure the long-term survivability of these meerkat groups for the years to come.